One of the most memorable places I've been in the last 12 months has been Germany. I did back-to-back trials. One was in Kaiserslautern, one was in Grafenwehr. And traveling out there, being so far away from home, with home being Hawaii, it's difficult because when we're out there to try cases, it's almost as if we don't have the home field advantage. We got on the ground out there, met with the client, and we very quickly got into trial mode. And we overcame that perceived disadvantage. We literally did back-to-back trials out in Germany. They're on the opposite sides of the country, and we had won both trials. It was really amazing. And what was memorable is the first trial, our client had been really pending trial for nearly 2 years. It took actually over 2 years to get the case to trial. But after we got a verdict of not guilty of all charges and specifications, is sitting down with him and his family and seeing how different his life was going to be now that he didn't have this weight over his shoulders, that weight on his shoulders. That I remember the most powerful, maybe one of the most powerful memories I have is after the trial, his daughter, and I did a video about this after it happened, but his daughter came running up to him. His daughter was about 4 years old, about the same age as my son is right now, and he came running right into his arms. He lifted his daughter up. His fiance at the time was there. I think they're married now. But he said, "Daddy's coming home." And he gets him hugging his daughter and say, "Daddy's coming home." This was someone who was absolutely innocent of the charges. Someone who should have never gone to a court-martial. It took 2 years, but the jury got it right. And this was all the way in Germany. He was from Guam and I'm from Hawaii. So we were both kind of so far from home and kind of isolated out there, but just getting in that zone and trying the case and winning the case in Germany. I just remember that moment with his daughter. His fiance was there. It was one of the most powerful moments in my entire career, and it just so happened to be out in Germany.